Today we will make a blood system in Unreal Engine in Niagara. Hang on. Okay. Shoot 'em. Blood splatters, stains the ground. Wow, very nice. Let's get into it. Step 1. Hop on Fab. Get yourself a blood decal texture. Do not use this decal, but get the lowest thing that you can get. Why? It'll look high quality because the blood's small, so no one will tell the difference. Next, Niagara. Make yourself a new material, call it M blood or something along those lines. Mask. Find your texture. Now we can change this to like 0.8, just how shiny you want your blood to be. Alpha. And yeah, that looks pretty good for blood, I guess. Now we will simply just make a new Niagara back, then I'll make a directional bursts Niagara System blood. Perfect. Then you'll sudden now. Personally, I think this is far too much for blood that's just gonna go and stain some ground. I mean, you could have that smoked like how you're doing it, but I don't like that because I'm on a time crunch here. I've got on real fast. So let's do sprite render, blood, bond burst instantaneous, like 15. Do not change this to GPU. Requires an ID, yes. Collision. Now set this to camera so that the blood doesn't splat on like characters and stuff. Then generate collision. Then we'll simply create a new minimal emitter. Call this stain or something, I don't care. Then blood. Then under the handler, collision, spawn 1 per collision. Then receive collision, yep. So now we're gonna have to do like, no, what's it called? Align? Yeah. Set this to 90. Set that to world so it doesn't try to rotate at you. Alignment, custom, facing, custom. So now if we just pop out, what? Reset? Oh, damn. You know, what do we do here? Bond. Yeah. Then you'll sort of notice how they're kind of floating off the ground. Set collision particle scale to something small. Kill the particles. Then, as collided, boom. Set the lifetime to like something. Now, what do we want our sprites? So, 10 to 50. Not like 20, since I have a bunch of them. Nice. We got tiny little blood splats. Amazing. Alright, now let's hop into our projectile. I'll just take that out real quick. Spawn system at location. Do the blood. Spawn it here. make rotation from an X. Yeah. Automatically pull this, because why not? Destroy. And make sure it's in the first person projectile, not the base. Alright. Now you just pick up whatever. Wow, blood. Let's go. Now, your mother would be not proud of you playing this violent, bloody game. But whatever, it's blood. See ya.